Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset a PlayStation 5. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your TV or your PlayStation. This video is for education purpose only. Also remember that when you do this method of factory resetting, you will lose everything, okay? Everything. You will lose your saved games and your application and wherever you have in your PS5, it will be removed. Okay, so it's in your own risk. So let me turn it on. Okay, so let me go with my remote control here. Okay, so that's my my username. So let me get in. Okay, so from here, go with your remote control, go to the top, right there, settings. I don't know if you can see it. Just a minute, okay? Okay, I just want to make sure that you see the screen. So right there is the setting. So go enter over there with your remote, enter. Then from here, we need to go to system. Right there, system. Enter here. Okay, from here, go to reset options, the last one. Then it's same thing. In clear learning dictionary, I'm gonna clear everything, okay? So right there, enter. The terms that were automatically edited as you enter it, they will be deleted, clear. The learning dictionary has been clear, okay? Now let's go to reset your console, okay? Reset. Okay, right there, and then enter. All data will be deleted. Console sharing and offline pay will be disabled for all users on this PS5. Reset. We reset your PS5. All users and all data will be deleted from your PS5. Are you sure? Want to continue? After you select yes, your PS5 will automatically restart and then it will be restored to factory default. Yes. So like I said, everything will be removed. Now it's restarting, resetting to factory defaults. To never disconnect your PS4 while it's doing it. Okay, so right now it's telling me to connect my controller. So I have the cable here and the other end is attached to the PS5 right there. Right there. don't know, you can see it right there, okay? So then, okay, and then you need to press this button. Okay, so now we're gonna start here from the beginning to set up your PlayStation. But that's the way you reset it. Just in case you want to delete some games or whatever, you wanna delete the history or whatever, that's the way you do it, okay? Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. I hope it helped you. And please check my other videos. I'm trying to fix wherever I can. So check my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.